Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you another method to take a screenshot on your laptop. Let's see here. First of all, I am going to show you some picture of keyboard. Now see here, in my previous class I have also shown this keyboard picture. Um, but in this class also I am going to show you so that you have a clear view. See here, in keyboard picture screenshot keyboard is here. Now what we have to do is simply press this key to take a screenshot. One method is to press this window and this key at once, then it take a screenshot and it automatically save your screenshot in picture folder. You don't have to search where it has been stored. But now I'm going to show you when you press this key only, then you can keep your screen pictured as you wish wherever you want to put that folder, that picture in your folder. Let's see here. Now I'm going to show you. Just want to take a screenshot of this picture image. Then what to do is just simply press that key. Now where this picture we have to store, just we can here see here search button, we just here type. We can store it in MS Word, MS Paint or PowerPoint. Now I'm going to show you here in MS Word. Just in search button, just write here WinWord, WinWord. Okay. Mhm. Now see here, I want to put that figure in this MS Word. Then what we have to do is simply press Ctrl V, V for van, 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 V. Yeah, you can see here your screenshot is here. You can put it in MS Word. Now how can, and if you want to do any editing, then you can simply do it here. Here is given your editing menu part, whatever you want to do. Any picture, if you want to take your own picture, your family picture, then just you can simply put it here. Now next I am going to show you to save it in. Here I have shown you in MS Word. Now I am going to show you in MS Paint. You can store it in MS Paint also. Just in this same in search button, right here, MS Paint. Paint. Now press enter. Now just simply press same, Ctrl V. See here, it has appeared here. Now similarly we can also store in our next is PowerPoint. If you want to keep it in PowerPoint, then just simply here POW Power PNT and enter. Now go to new. Now see here in PowerPoint also you can press it. Just simply press Ctrl V. See here. So in this way, if we have any document, any project, if you have and you want to take it print out, then just simply take a screenshot on your laptop and you can store anywhere as you wish, in picture or any folder, just like in MS Word, PowerPoint, anywhere. And you can, if you want to do any editing, then you can also do it there. And now you can see here file. This file is in everywhere in MS Word also, PowerPoint also, and Paint also. Just click here file, and here is given your save option. You can save it anywhere in your folder. Just click it and write wherever you want to save it. So in this way we can take a screenshot on our laptop any of our important document project, and can be stored as you wish wherever you want to store it, and just take its printout. So guys, this much is for today. Now in next video I will show you one more method to take a screenshot on your laptop. Now you will easily decide which method you want to know. You want easy, you can use it. So till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in my next class.